Imagine a bird faced with a challenge, not just reacting, but thinking. In one of Aesop's 2,500-year-old fables, a clever crow, parched with thirst, discovers a pitcher with water just beyond its reach. What does it do? It begins dropping pebbles, one by one, into the pitcher, watching the water level rise until it can finally quench its thirst. This isn't just a charming story. It's a remarkable preview of real-world avian ingenuity. Modern science has confirmed Aesop's ancient observation. In a groundbreaking 2014 experiment, scientists presented crows with a similar dilemma: a food reward floating in a tube, partially filled with water. Just like in the fable, crow after crow instinctively dropped stones into the container, raising the water level until the treat was within their grasp. This incredible display is just one of many fascinating insights into the intelligence of corvids. Corvids are the bold, brainy family of songbirds that includes crows, ravens, jays, and magpies. Found across nearly every continent, these adaptable creatures have captivated researchers with their complex behaviors and problem-solving skills. Their intelligence challenges our traditional understanding of animal cognition, revealing minds far more sophisticated than previously imagined. When it comes to food, corvids are incredibly strategic. They're known to ransack trash bins and even snatch bites from under other birds' beaks. Beyond opportunistic feeding, they are expert hoarders and meticulous planners. A single Clark's nutcracker, for instance, can scatter some 30,000 pine nuts across more than 2,000 cache sites, remembering their locations and recovering them over 9 months later. Experiments with scrub jays further highlight their impressive cognitive abilities. When given perishable waxworms and long-lasting peanuts, the jays cached and retrieved the worms first, leaving the peanuts for later. This suggests they not only recall where they buried things, but also what they buried and when it might spoil. What's more, these jays will bury food when they know it won't be available the next day, demonstrating a remarkable capacity to plan for future events. Corvid abilities extend far beyond meal prepping. Their social intelligence is particularly striking. In one experiment, a masked person trapped and released a wild crow. When the same masked person returned, crows dive-bombed them, recognizing the individual. If a different mask was worn, however, they were ignored, suggesting corvids can distinguish between, and remember, different human facial characteristics. Crows also exhibit behaviors that resonate deeply with human observers. They tend to gather around the bodies of their dead companions and caw, a behavior sometimes likened to a funeral. One study showed that crows were slower to return to an area where they'd seen a deceased companion, suggesting they associate such locations with risk and danger. Corvids like New Caledonian crows demonstrate an impressive proclivity for reasoning and tool use, even in the wild. They are observed fashioning sticks into hook-shaped probes to extract insects from crevices. Some Japanese crows have even learned to place nuts on busy roads, waiting nearby for passing cars to crack them open, then retrieving the rewards. This innovative problem-solving showcases their remarkable adaptability. Beyond survival, corvids engage in behaviors that are harder to explain, like carrying trinkets or repeatedly sledding down roofs on plastic lids. Play activities like this are relatively common, especially among juveniles. Corvids have a longer developmental period than other songbirds, and it's thought that play encourages learning, laying a strong foundation for their intelligent behavior and complex social interactions. Scientists today consider corvids among the smartest animals, a significant shift from past misconceptions. In the late 1800s, German scientist Ludwig Edinger misinterpreted the crow's brain structure as primitive, dismissing their cognitive abilities. This was a profound misinterpretation. While a raven's brain looks different and is about a third the size of a capuchin monkey's, both animals possess a similar number of neurons in their pallium, a brain region associated with cognition. This means corvid brains, though evolving along a different path than primates, still achieved sophisticated cognitive capabilities. The next time you spot a crow, take a moment to appreciate its profound intelligence. These aren't just birds. They are complex, thinking beings with remarkable abilities. Just remember, they might be watching you too. If you're fascinated by the hidden intelligence of the natural world, Subscribe to our channel for more captivating documentaries. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and share this video with fellow nature enthusiasts. What other animal intelligences would you like us to explore? Let us know in the comments below.